I love you, Elon, you sexy beast. Chomp.
On January 2nd, 2026, officers responded to a woman refusing to exit an Uber. The driver invoked his right to remove the passenger, establishing the trespass predicate for arrest. The encounter escalated to taser deployment, ground restraint, and a custodial arrest. This analysis examines the constitutional reasonableness of the force used during that arrest.
Get out of the vehicle.
I gotta get up again, guys.
Same feeling he's gonna walk. He refused to
Really?
exit the vehicle.
My phone.
Unfortunately, she's jumping in somebody's vehicle on the passenger seat. I don't know her.
My phone. Sir, will you call me?
Do you wanna, sir? Do you wanna press charge for like trespassing? I don't even know her. No? Do you wanna press charge for trespassing, sir?
He's trespassing.
Get out. Get out.
I said, sir.
She jumped our car in the car to make
I said, sir, please just my phone.
Get out. Get out.
I said
Stop
my neck.
resisting. Get out. I'll pull you up. Get out.
Use of force during arrest is governed by the Fourth Amendment, not the Eighth. The controlling standard is Graham versus Connor, decided by the Supreme Court in 1989. Graham requires force to be objectively reasonable from the perspective of an officer on scene. The court identified three factors: severity of crime, immediate threat, and active resistance. Here, the predicate offense is misdemeanor trespass in a conveyance, a low-severity charge.
Put your hands behind the back. Put your hands behind the back. Listen, we're gonna go to the ground. Stop.
You want me to go to the ground?
No, I don't.
You want me to go to the ground?
Put your hands behind the back.
I said your
Put your
arm.
hands behind your back.
Sir, my neck.
Listen.
I thought we were friends.
Turn around. Turn
I
around.
thought we were friends, man.
We're not friends. Put your hands behind your back.
Then why are you doing this to me?
Because I'm done with your...
You have a lot better dance than that. I said, this is my country. I said, Ball of America, motherfucker. I said, you
Alright. You're gonna go to the ground.
you stupid fucking... I said, you white nigga. This is why we...
Put your hands behind your back.
The subject displayed no weapon and made no credible threat of lethal harm. She did resist physically, but resistance must be weighed against her evident crisis state. The subject's disorganized speech, grandiose content, and flight of ideas indicate acute crisis. In Sheehan, the Supreme Court reserved whether the ADA mandates accommodation during arrest. Several circuits, however, recognize an accommodation duty in non-exigent encounters. Crisis intervention team protocols call for time, distance, and verbal de-escalation.
Enforcement.
Put your hands behind your back.
I said, get the off me.
Don't.
You f***ing bitch. I said, get the off me, you bitch.
Listen.
I said, get off
Or you will be tased.
bitch. Ow!
Are you gonna listen or not? Put your hands behind your back. No, I'm good.
I do. Yes, I do.
7-7.
Yes, I
Just
do.
give
He
it a
just
second.
tased me.
Officer, do you need us to help you?
Nah, I got it.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Put your hands behind your back.
Ow! Let me...
Put your hand behind your back.
Hey, well, let me...
Put your hand behind your back.
Are you going to tease me again? Hold on.
Put your hands behind your back.
Damn it.
You got backup coming?
Yeah, I got it. Is that worded, ma'am? Sir, female guest. Have supervisor for use of force, please. Stand up. Stand up.
How many times did I just walk?
Sir, do not go anywhere,
How
right?
many times did I just...
Just stay here.
How many times did I just... I just got tased like 7 times. That's no joke. I just got tased like 7
7 times? Oh,
Yeah.
my.
The Ninth Circuit, in Bryan versus MacPherson, classified taser use as intermediate force. Intermediate force requires a strong governmental interest beyond mere noncompliance. Mattos versus Agarano, decided en banc, held repeated taser cycles on a nonviolent subject excessive. The subject reported being tased 7 times. The officer confirmed 2 or 3 cycles. Reconciling this requires audit of the axon log, which agencies are required to preserve.
Have anything illegal on you?
No, I don't. I'm mindful of my neck, please, gentlemen.
Nobody's hurting your neck. All right, just stay facing the vehicle. Do you have anything sharp on you? Anything that's going to hurt or poke us?
No.
Anything illegal? Any
My
drugs or
vagina
anything?
bites.
What's that?
My vagina bites.
Your vagina wipes? Okay.
I said it bites.
Bites? Okay. So stand up straight. Lean back. Don't breathe on me.
We need to remove one handcuff.
Huh? Okay. We're going to remove your left cuff and we're going to take this bag off of your arm, okay? All right, she's good. Anything illegal on you?
No.
All right. Sir, do not go anywhere, right? Because we need to inform me. I will get your phone.
And I go to jail for cooperating. Doing everything you asked of me. I love you, Elon, you sexy beast. Trump, JD, you're great. Welcome to the Gulf of America in Men of War Harbor. I'm the freedom we fight for, and look at me now.
So, Decimal 14, the subject was drive stun and redirected to the ground.
Thank you guys for keeping me safe. I love you. Much appreciated. This is why I don't come to shore, god damn it. My apologies. I love you guys. Thank you.
She trespassed from his vehicle?
Yeah, she jumped in. She refused to leave. I asked him, do you want to press charge for trespassing? She said yes. So then I put her all.
I don't know her, I don't know her.
I mean, she's going to jail, so it's...
Yeah, I don't know her.
Yeah.
I mean, if I didn't come around and she'll do that.
Yeah, exactly.
Get out, she won't get out.
Exactly.
You're trespassing me from your Uber? Guys, come on. Let me out. I said unicorns and rainbows and golden glitter. Elon says, Melissa, you know I wrote the entire internet, right? He said, where did you get that account? I said, the boy that wrote the white papers for Ethereum.
Hey, just real quick, can you tell me what happened?
Yeah, so I walked by here and this gentleman and that girl, they were like fighting each other in the car. An officer said, all right, I need you to get out of the car. And she wouldn't get out, so he had to pull her out. And then she fought him the whole time. And he was just trying to get her under control.
Yeah.
And so he had to do some extra stuff just to get her.
They were physically fighting inside of
She
the
might
car.
be on drugs because she had some crazy strength. We offered to help him, and I mean, there's 2 of us men here, and we're like, we could tell like he was hard, and so we're like, we'll help him, and he got her. He's like, I got it,
Yeah.
and he got her under control by himself. We didn't help.
Good. Okay.
So, but everything he did looked like it was very legit.
Started because she was fighting inside of the car.
She was fighting with this gentleman. I don't know anything about anything. It
Yeah.
says lift on his car. I don't know what happened. We don't know anything.
Right.
We were literally just walking back here to the bar. But yeah.
All right.
He did a great job.
Thank you so much.
Honestly, I know, that took a lot of strength what he did. So
Yeah. No, I
don't know what to
appreciate
say.
it.
Yeah,
Thank you
good
so
luck.
much.
You guys, take care.
Elon's so mad at me. I totally got drunk on hobo wine. I smoked a lot of weed. There's my confession. I drank hobo wine and smoked weed, guys. I can still feel my body is terrible. Do you want to know what it feels like to walk around with a broken neck? I said you're dropping me off in Boston at MIT. I said Neuralink, motherfuckers. He said, Melissa, we might be able to get you one if you want to say you're schizophrenic. I said, Elon, where's my Neuralink? John, you heard, I love you. I told you I'm a scientist, assholes. I'm so stupid. I got my PhD in one singular year, Your Honorable.
Lawyer!
Hey, how are you? I'm Sergeant Wade. Oh, Melissa, right? What's up? You're not getting out of the car, all right? So,
what's
buddy,
going on,
can you tell me what happened? I'm the supervisor tonight.
I mean, why was I arrested again?
So he's the arresting officer. I
want to know what.
It's all going to be in the arrest affidavit, but
No,
I'm
I
here
wanna
to check
know
him.
now,
Are
sir.
you injured?
Yeah, I am.
Where's your injuries at?
All over my body.
Thank you, sir.
All
They
over your
touched
body?
me for no reason
Who
at all.
touched you?
Look, I was completely amendable to all of it.
You were what?
I was amendable to all of it. I said, gentlemen, I'm not dead. Hi guys, how you doing?
That's not what witnesses are saying.
Hello.
Witnesses are saying that you were like fighting, that you were fighting with him.
Where's the video camera?
Well, he has video on his body.
You guys better manipulate the simulation because
You're not making
pussy.
much sense. All right? Are you hurt? Are you truly
I
hurt?
said, would you please get my hair out of my mouth and my head?
I don't have gloves. I don't have gloves on. I'm sorry. Your back hurts? We're in the area where you were tased?
How many times was I tased?
Two or three times. Yeah, we're gonna look at it.
How many times was I tased tonight?
Why were you tased?
I don't know. Please tell me.
Were you
Why
listening?
was I
Was
tased?
the
Yes,
officer
I
giving you orders?
was. Yeah, dude. Why? How many times was I tased and why?
Because you weren't listening to the officer.
That's so. Yes, I was. I most certainly was.
All right, let's put your feet. Put your
How
foot
many
in the floor.
times did I get tased tonight?
2 or 3 times.
Like 7. That's not funny, guys. That hurt. It was not okay.
The footage shows minimal use of these techniques once the subject was contained. The officer receives a C+, lawful predicate, but a deteriorating force decision arc. The supervisor receives a B, timely welfare check, but limited visible force review. The subject receives a D on the rubric, asterisked by apparent diminished capacity. A department grade is withheld pending review of written policy and CIT training records. Lesson 1. A lawful arrest predicate does not authorize unlimited subsequent force. Lesson 2. Disorganized speech is a Graham relevant fact, not a license to escalate. Lesson 3. Every additional taser cycle requires fresh constitutional justification. Lesson 4. Contained subjects in crisis need clinicians, not repeated control attempts. Let us know in the comments which interaction or legal topic you would like analyzed next. Thank you for watching, and check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more content.